Here's TikTok. Is there a crying face filter on TikTok? So it is on Snapchat. It was originally released on Snapchat, and I'm just trying to find if there is like this filter on TikTok. So there is this filter which is called unhappy face. This is what you can find the closest. So this is the filter which you can use. So when like Snapchat released the crying lens just like 9 days ago, TikTok instantly released this unhappy face effect just to compete with Snapchat instantly. Then there is this also unhappy, but they are not like such cool and such of high quality as as on Snapchat. So I can't really find the exact Snapchat quality crying lens. You can see crying face, but it's not like, yeah, you can see something like that. Uh, but yeah, it's not there. So I can't find the exact crying face filter on TikTok. If you know, maybe there is a new one or just was recently released, just leave it in the comments.